Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Mayor, let's go! You're on!
Wants to ace the test in order to please Cito.
You may begin.
Campanina! Luigi, Guido, che bello rivedervi! Bentornati, amici! Ingredients is back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic, man.
Tree hugger.
All night till we get to California, we agreed to it.
All night?
We think it. I don't know.
Rescue engine!
What's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen.
And right
10, clutch God's.
Stop is the hospital! Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Watching him work is making me thirsty. Anybody else want something to drink?
What just happened?
Go, buddy.
There's a lot of love out there, you know, man.
Don't embarrass me, Fillmore. Not my town, don't. Get back here, you important.
Oh, number 7 is loose. Shoot, Todoroki.
Rocket jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons.
Son, that was some real racing out there. How'd you like to become the new face of Dinoco?
Let's go, please!
Was McQueen's idea. He felt HUD would have wanted you to have it.
I love it.
Who'll be jamming now?
Okay.
A little something to remember us by.
Tu as misé toute ta fortune sur ce meeting. Il faut à tout prix faire quelque chose.
Faire quoi? Le public est venu.
You alright? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run. Enjoy your retirement.
Well, Tex, you've been good to me all these years. It's the least I could do.
Whatever happens, you're...
independent panel of scientists has determined that all in all is completely safe, okay? Safe.
Give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man, now I got dirt in my rib.
Aquí recto. Ya es suficiente y fuera.
He's right here.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! The queen is ready.
One and only piston car.
Hey, what? What's going?
And all the little crappies have gone night-night. No, I ain't saying that. You tell.
Ever planned to go to West?